Hi everybody, this is Reza with Profile Traders and you're listening to my market recap for June the 30th ES. So last night we saw a little bit of a selling coming in, but the selling was completely stopped at a very specific support level, which was 42.70, a naked POC from this session here. However, this morning when we came in, we had a gap to the downside. The gap is always measured between where you close at the previous day session and when you open the next day session. So if we closed here, opened down here, that was a gap down. Usually when you have a gap down like this, two things gonna happen. If the gap down is real, right off the bat from the open they start to sell, and the A period is a very directional period to the downside, and the end result is that you are possibly going to get a trend day down. If the gap is fake, as I warn my traders in my trading room that that's what we could be seeing, instead of seeing selling coming in from the open, they immediately start to buy, and the first reaction is an expectation for the push to the upside to go close the gap. That is exactly what happened within the first half hour bracket. When something like that happens, it is telling you that the selling from the previous night was just a blink temporarily, nothing significant, and whoever sold it is gone, or maybe possibly it was even sold for price manipulation to create themselves a buying opportunity. And when something like that happens where you feel the gap immediately from the close, then the weakness that you have seen from the overnight is negated, and the market is expected to either go higher or rotate at a higher level. And sure enough, after the gap was closed, we rotated in a very painful tight range for a long while until it decided the last minute to explode and close into a new record level again. So if this madness continues, the next two projected target that I have is 42.98 and 43.02. And for any push to the downside, we need to reject ourselves into the value area range at 42.89.5. If we do that, we should then come to the POC at 42.85 and then 42.83. The moment we reject the lower value area, we should then go tackle 42.76.5, 42.70 and 42.64. The strength of this market is absolutely amazing, no question about it. What will derail it, I do not know. But once it's going to be derailed and we start to correct, the fact that we are going up so much and so parabolically, the way down will be as brutal and as fast and furious as we have gone up. But when, from where, and what will trigger it, that is very difficult to predict with accuracy. As far as we are concerned, we just want to be successful tomorrow, and that's it. One day at a time. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Have a wonderful evening and a good trading tomorrow. Talk to you the next time.